Here we have a 1968 Pontiac Firebird. And yes, I did say Firebird, even though you're looking at the front clip of a 1968 Camaro. This car was a custom built car. It is titled as a 68 Firebird. You will see lots of 68 Camaro parts on this car. We believe that it's equipped with this original 350 Pontiac engine with a small cam. It has power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. It comes with disc brakes all the way around, Willwood disc brakes. This car is an automatic. Right off the bat, when you see she points towards the instrumental cluster on this car, you're going to see it has all upgraded instrumental panel for it. That is a newly built stereo system with a retro stereo, which will give you the Bluetooth, but give you the look of an original stereo.
Super clean. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get that engine cranked, take a look at the engine bay, and then we are going to take it for a spin. Taking it for a stroll. I love the wood grain. The AC and radio do work.
Alright, looks like we got a good RPM gauge, a good fuel gauge, a good speedometer gauge, temperature gauge, voltmeter. It appears that all your gauges are working properly. This car handles maneuvers just like a new car.
Sounding good.
Yeah, it's got a small cam in it, so it has a nice little rumble.
Beautifully. Thank you, Shane. We're going to swing it around and we'll put it up on the lift, take a look at the underneath next.